Welcome to Think Tree Maths. Have you ever wondered why some numbers like to share and others don't? Welcome to today's Quick Maths Nugget, where we are exploring the world of odd and even numbers. This lesson is targeted for our very young audience. Even numbers make pairs. Odd numbers don't. Imagine you have shoes or socks. If everyone has a partner, it's even. Here we have 6 shoes, and each one of them has a partner. Therefore, the number 6 is an even number. If one is left alone without a partner, it's odd. Now we have 7 shoes. And as you can see, there is one that's left without a partner. Therefore, the number 7 is odd. The odd one out rhyme that you can use to remember your even numbers and your odd numbers. Even numbers share a friend. Odd numbers have one at the end. Even numbers share a friend. Odd numbers have one at the end. Here's a quick trick. Think of even as everybody has a body. All those digits and numbers can split into 2 equal parts. And think of odd as one is left out. There you have it. Great job. Now you know the secret behind odd and even numbers. Even numbers can share equally, and odd numbers keep one extra. Easy, right? Keep growing your maths mind. Subscribe to Think Tree Maths for more learning nuggets.